everyone. I'm Sarah. Welcome to LWLA Learning While Listening Anytime. Today, David and I are going to show you a relaxing English conversation called a day at the community park. We are two friends who have decided to spend a peaceful morning at our local park. As we walk through the beautiful green spaces, we talk about nature, flowers, gardening, birds, and our favorite outdoor hobbies. This conversation is perfect for a one-to-be-one English learners who want to improve their listening and speaking skills with simple, natural, and real-life English. Please listen carefully because we have a few questions for you at the end of the video. Can you answer them correctly? Write your answers in the comments section and let's see how well you understand the conversation. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hello, David. It's nice to see you today.
Hi, Sarah. It's nice to see you too.
What a beautiful morning.
Yes, the weather is perfect today.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I visit almost every weekend.
That's wonderful. Let's go inside.
Sure, let's take a walk together.
Look at those tall trees.
They are very beautiful.
I love walking under the trees.
Me too, the shade feels nice.
The air feels fresh here.
Yes, it's much quieter than the city.
I can already feel relaxed.
Nature always helps me relax.
These flowers are so colorful.
I agree, they look amazing.
My favorite flowers are roses.
I like sunflowers the most.
Do you grow flowers at home?
Yes, I have a small garden.
That sounds lovely.
Gardening is one of my favorite hobbies.
When did you start gardening?
I started about 2 years ago.
What do you grow in your gardens?
I grow flowers, tomatoes, and herbs.
That sounds interesting.
Gardening teaches patience.
Does it take a lot of time?
Not really. A few minutes every day is enough.
Let's sit on this bench for a while.
Good idea. My legs are a little tired.
This bench has a nice view.
Yes, we can see the lake from here.
The water looks calm.
And the ducks are swimming peacefully.
I enjoy quiet places like this.
So do I.
Can you hear those birds singing?
Yes, their songs sound beautiful.
Do you know what kind of birds they are?
I think those are sparrows.
Bird watching seems interesting.
It is. It helps me focus and relax.
Do you bring binoculars sometimes?
Yes, especially when I visit larger parks.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I enjoy hiking and gardening.
Hiking sounds exciting.
It is. I love exploring new trails.
I usually read books or take walks.
Those are relaxing activities too.
Everyone needs a hobby.
I completely agree.
I had a wonderful time today.
Me too. It was a relaxing morning.
I learned a lot about gardening.
And I enjoyed talking about nature.
We should come here again next weekend.
That's a great idea.
See you next week, David.
I'll see you next week, Sarah. Take care.
Thank you for listening to our conversation. Now it's time to answer today's questions. Question 1. What is David's favorite outdoor hobby? Question 2. What flowers does Sarah say are her favorite? Take a moment to think about your answers. Did you listen carefully? Write your answers in the comments section below and let's see how many you got right. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to LWLA Learning while listening anytime, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next English listening practice video. Keep listening, keep learning, and keep improving your English every day. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.